Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I'm fine. I can presentation my website and the new car from USA and new car from USA, and I can search and Google search bar car. The lot of car presentation, the website, the nice car and website provide in Google. The nice car, new car and fantastic car, small car, uh, electric car. The lot of car website provide and seller and others provide in Google. And this the I can choose the red car and the lot of picture the red car and the website iStock website lot of picture and the red car the nicely red car presentation, the website blue stick iStick, the nice red car. So nice car picture, red car picture, and iStick website presentation. The lot of picture, car picture, the red car, a lot of car. Just I can choose and red car, and this is the my videos presentation. The red car. Wow, fantastic red car. The 100 page the provide the red car. Just I am one or two page. See, wow, the nice car. Nice car presentation this website. The nice red car. I can search on Google search bar new car for 2024 in the USA. The lot of website and lot of picture provide the 2024 new cars. Lot of website, lot of videos. The car in USA news. Lot of website provide this 2020 car, and I can just one website is opening that 2024 new model guides and 25 cars and coming soon. The big brand like Ford and Hyundai and Nissan are the rolling this the new product in 2024 the model year. The 2024 nice car. The 2024, the new car, the 2024 new model guides 25 cars and serve and even coming soon. The big brand like Ford and Hyundai and Nissan are the royal and there are new products for 2024. This is same or with full swimming more and automakes are the rolling in the new vessel for the 2024 the model year. The some have already the heat the make will those the schedule too hard and display over and the next few months. We have road and 25 new cars trucks and serve and even that is the will be able to great hands, and it's on the big name of brand, BMW and chairbolt and the board. This is the one is this a lot of picture, the BMW picture, and a lot of the hit is the Raving and Riggs and Riemann and other the first and electric US is served the schedule and double earn in the 2024. The new Adex will the more tense and the weekend and grossing. The 2024 Aston the Martin DB12 very nice car. One sale there's fell 2024. The price 2,50,000 US dollar. 2,50,000 US dollar. The new Aston made and DB twin the Troching and four late B8 earning given that the what were 671 hours power and the 60 to 60 time just 3.5 second will a new adapter and supper his the person in help and send down the right in crossing around tune. This is the DB12 excellent, and this the DB12 is the around its price 2,50,000 US dollar. 2000 2024 the 8RS6 Event RS7 pre-motions. This is the card, the nice card, the one sale of 2023, 1,26,895 nearable, one lakh 27,800 dollar. The RS8 events performance and the rigs performance will bringing more the performance to the table for 2024 on the broad this car use and twin together the 4.0 liter the AB8 engine good in this 621 hours power and 625 pound feet and the helping rocket them to 60 millions per hour in just 3.3 second. The RS6 the activities that more opportunity to in the 1020 1 lakh 26,895 dollar within the destination free including white that the RS7 cost the 1,27,800 both them the car and seller was. The 2024 the BMW i5 and series i5 series. BMW 2024 BMW i5 series, the sales and price the uh, uh, $66,800 to $57,900. Then a new BMW 5 Series is joined by the all electronics i5 for the first time. Those two luxurious and bold new experience design and competitive win their dramatic expression and brake evolution. The lot of car the Candial says lot of car presentation this website and cruise and trade the price. 2004 March GT and the price 32,515 dollar and 44,019 dollar. The 2024 Force Med Drugs House. This is the price 60,850 dollars. The powerful new time joint. This is the information. This is the Harn Plus and car. 24 the Hyundai Stern Free 30,000 US dollar. LX5, the $1 lakh, the price, the one cell data, the last level, the load electrons, Luxury TX, the Nissan Sentro, $30,000, $23,000. 26,290 dollars. The saver contracts in dollars. This website 2024 model, the 25 coming soon. 2025 model cars and serve coming soon. The 2024, the new model guide, 50 cars and serve and EVs coming soon. Thank you very much. Subscribe my channel. Best of luck.